Okay, we're going to combine two of my favorite and probably the most effective exercises in steel mace or mace bell training, and that is the 360 to an uppercut. For this, we want to start in a rack position, soft knees, and what we're going to do is perform one full 360, and as the mace comes over, we take our bottom hand or opposite hand off the mace, allow the rotation to continue, catch in an inward thumb grip, rotate on the feet, bring that mace down from a paddle position, and then perform a solid twist uppercut. Then we throw the mace out, bring it up, your hands will change over, and we go for a 360 the other way. Bottom hand comes off, grip, pivot, uppercut. Now this is where we can slide the handle back, or as we bring the mace down, we can shuffle the opposite hand to come up, so the lead hand slides down, ends up on top, to go for a 360 in the other direction. So down, a little bit of a shuffle, 360, bang, and go. So up, breathe out, uppercut, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, uppercut, breathe out, and perform that for the number of reps or time prescribed in your program.